first word. The first word for today, that is appetizer. Appetizer means the food which is served in the initial period of your, as such you start your meal. The first meal is called, the first food which is served, that is called starters. So appetizer means starters. Generally we used to have a small snack which can consider to be the appetizer. Okay, the second word for today, that is aroma. The fragrance, the pleasant fragrance of the food, we call it aroma. The third word for today, that is cuisine. Cuisine is something when a variety of dishes from different zones, like the Italian cuisine has the pasta and pizza in it. Same way if we call the Indian cuisine, and Indian cuisine, again, like we cannot call it Indian cuisine because in India is where every state has different names, so we will consider the Gujarati cuisine, the Western cuisine in that manner. The next word is gourmet. Gourmet, someone who is fond of food, who loves food, we call that person a gourmet. The next word is savoury. The meals which are not sweet, they are quite spicy and salty, we call that meals are savoury. The next word for today, that is nutritious. Food which has all the nutritional values, then we call it nutritious. It's not the junk food or fast food, so we call it nutritious meal. The next word for today, that is processed food. Processed food, the food which doesn't carry all the nutritious value. Mostly they are processed, packaged, and it has been packed for a long time, added with lot of preservatives, so it can sustain for a long time. The one more word which we'll take for the vocabularies for food, in it we can have the stale food, the food which has been cooked earlier and preserved overnight in a refrigerator, and that way we call that food as a stale food. So if I tell you the stale food doesn't carry that nutritional values for a longer time.
So guys, that's all for today. You can subscribe us for new updates on English language, and even share this video with your friends to update them with the latest English communication tools and tips, even the new vocabularies which we keep on updating. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.